Welcome parents to the digital behavior therapy. Today we will see how to use digital behavior therapy for your children. How to use Aran app. Step 1 starts with how to download the app. First go to Play Store. Type Aran in the search box, ARAN. Choose the one with the brain picture. Install the app. Once it is installed, open the app. Then we will see step 2, how to register in the app. Get into the app. Click create account, which is shown by a arrow mark. Type all the details of the child. For example, name, age, sex and others. Whether you are a parent or a teacher, and type your email ID. Also provide your mobile number. Type the password. Confirm the password which you have typed already and click submit. Account is successfully created. Check your email for the OTP and enter the same OTP here and click submit. You successfully logged into the app. You can use the email ID you have used and the password which you have created and click submit to enter into the app. Now click step 4, how to add child. Click how to add child, which is shown by a arrow mark. Now type the name of the child. Age, sex and child type and click submit. So the child is created. Step 5, how to add a task in this app. This is very important. There are two types of tasks. One are repeated task, which is repeated hourly. Others are once a day task, which is like brushing, bathing, ideal. See the arrow mark and click task and type the task name. For example, I am choosing hitting others. So these are repeated tasks which I have to monitor frequently. So I will have to choose the timeline and I am choosing 30 minutes. But it is available up to 24 hours. Click submit. The task is successfully created. And then you can click for other task which is done once a day, like bathing. Again click add task, type bathing, and it is a time based task. So you will have to click the time based task which is above that 1 hour and choose a time, particularly 7 a.m., 8 a.m., whatever the time you want to schedule the task. And then click submit. So this task is also created. Now step 6, frequency charting. Click frequency charting and you can start how frequently the child is hitting or doing any other behavior. You can get into the numbers by clicking there and then mark for every half an hour which you have created previously. So you can add anywhere. Whenever the child is hitting, you can just mark it here, so that you keep account, and it shows as a good graph. Whenever the chart peaks up, the child has hit you more, and if you come out, we can see the frequency in graph way. 7. ABC analysis. Click ABC storage, add ABC and type your antecedent, behavior and consequence, which you usually do it in a paper, and then submit. So it gets added automatically and you can show it to your therapist when you meet them. Step 8. Targeting a problematic behavior. Click target behavior. For us it is hitting. You can click that assign task which is down and then choose any other behavior also. If you put the tick, there will be an animated star which will be dancing and voice can be chosen. Wonderful other things. Then if you put a cross, it will say cross and then try again later. And you can get into you can change the color of the task, and this is how it will look after you have entered everything. You can see how many crosses, how many stars the child has got, and there will be a graphical representation down. You can see a beautiful graph here. Step 9. Ideal schedule. Click on the ideal schedule. Just click assign task and you can add any number of tasks. It is again same. Whenever you give star, animated star will come. Whenever you click cross, other animated cross will come. And you can see it is also beautifully represented over a period of time. You can see how the child is behavior over a period of time. And you can choose date which you want to revisit. And then step 10. Exercises. This is usually for elder children. Click exercises. There are muscle relaxation exercise and there is breathing exercise, which you can play and do the exercise. Step 11. How to change settings. Click the 3 arrow, go to settings and you can choose color, success ringtone, success image, and you can upload your own image also, and then failure ringtone and then failure image. By clicking this, you can choose the image or you can add a local file which is from your phone. Similarly, for failure ringtone and failure image, you can choose your preferred mode. Then how to connect to us. Click connect to us. Type whatever the queries you have. If you have any difficulties in dealing with the app, you can write to us so that it helps us to rectify our problem. I'm here typing as star is not working. Submit feedback. Then how to use videos are for parents to help them understand what is the reason why this app was created and how to use them. If you play it, all the YouTube videos will play and you can get into the YouTube to see what is digital behavior therapy and how it is useful and what are the better things with which the app works. So connect to a therapist. Here all your behavior charts can be seen by the therapist as soon. See the 4-digit number up. Copy that 4-digit number or ask for the 4-digit number from the therapist. Go to the child, click assign medical or paramedical person and enter the therapist code. Once you enter and submit, the request will go and the therapist will be able to see you. Whenever you give star, the therapist will be, without even having to carry the notebook, they will be able to see. Now let's log in. This is how the therapist will be shown. They will accept it and your child will automatically get added as it is shown here. Then they will be able to see what are the behaviors in the child, and then they can add any task also by clicking the assign task to add it into the ADL. This is how things work. Thank you.